But the next is the most dangerous. Arjun Mehra. More than the buildings, he drops the expectations of the people. Very nice. Let's move forward the next chapter of our story. On the outskirts of Delhi, a semi-built skyscraper, Shiva Heights, stood in silence. It used to see a big housing project from above, but in reality it was the biggest example of Arjun Mehra's greed. Arjun Mehra, in a luxurious suit, was sitting in his office like a lion. Calls were constantly coming on his phone. When will the possession get? When will you return our money? He just smiled and fed tea with false promises. On the other hand, Rajveer started work on a new strategy with Vikram. Vikram said that Arjuna not only sells flats, he clears the money of the poor on illegal lands, the money of politicians and mafia in papers. Rajveer, we have to drop Arjuna in front of people. The law will come later, first the public trust. Vikram fast in eyes. So let's shake his foundation, from where his scam started. Vikram contacted his old partner Nasir, who was earlier Arjun's site engineer but was now unemployed because he once raised the matter of lack of security. Nasir gave him some file such maps and evidence that proved that poor material was used in the foundation of the building. If it came to light, then Arjuna's entire empire could have fallen. Rajveer contacted a journalist Ruchi Rai, who was known for sting operations on corruption. The next day a video went viral in the foundation of Arjun Mehra's project, mud, water and iron rods instead of bamboo rods. There was a ruckus on social media. Meanwhile, Rajveer's team raided Arjun's office and sites raw maps, forged permits and 2 briefcases cash recovered from here. Arjun angry. I have fed the leaders, you can't do anything. Rajveer in slow but sharp voice. Now the same leader would not like to take your name. You have put your own bricks of your fall. Arjun was arrested, but as he was being taken, Vikram's eyes were far away as he already knows that the next step is more complicated. Vikram. Now the real poison will come. Baldev Raneh's alcohol is not just intoxicated, death is also dissolved.